Hello. I have a couple minutes here before I have a client to meet with virtually and don't have the kids right on top of me. So I have so many things like floating through my head that I want to get out, but I always have this like throat chakra block. And so I have a few minutes and I've been wanting to put more information out here. So our throat chakra is like a place where we feel this convergence of our head and our heart, and it's our place where creativity and expression and speaking our truth and sharing what it is that we're meant to share is meant to come out. And for some reason, that's always a place where I feel a blockage. And so I'm going to take a few minutes to do a throat chakra meditation, but I wanted to invite anyone that would like to join me to go ahead and join me. So I'm going to set a timer and we're just going to do a short 5-minute meditation. And we're going to use the bija sound for the throat chakra, which is hum. And so I'll say it mentally, but as I'm exhaling, I'm going to mentally chant hum. So I'm going to actually change this to a 4-minute meditation for the sake of the video. But this is something that you can do anytime you're feeling like blocked in regards to speaking, communicating. If you feel a creative block or feel like there's something that you don't quite know how to get out or to express, this is a great practice to do. So when you're ready, just go ahead and close your eyes and find a comfortable seated position. You can sit in any way that you would like. And you want to find a spine that allows you to sit comfortably without blockages, so there's nothing obstructing the flow of energy through your central channel. And we'll just start to settle in until we start to bring our attention to the bija sound, hum. You just begin to mentally say that to yourself each time you exhale. So if you feel yourself moving away, if you feel yourself distracted, that's part of it. That's part of the practice. That's the continual effort to keep bringing yourself back. So just allow yourself to settle in. Even bringing your attention to the feeling of your breath moving in and out through your throat can help you to release any blockages through your 5th chakra. And so just begin to gradually start to reawaken. As we come out of a meditative state, we don't want to abruptly exit. So just take your time, start to move a little. You start to softly open your eyes. Maybe you close them and open them a few times. And just allow yourself to gradually come back. And then just take a moment and notice how you feel. Again, that is a gentle practice to do to help to awaken and unblock your throat chakra. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. Namaste.